What's up guys, Chris.Donley here with Guarantee RV Centers in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to be showing you this 2016 Jayco Melbourne 24L. Let's go inside. This one's going to be on the Sprinter chassis. What I love about the L floor plan, I don't know exactly what it stands for, but it probably means a big long slide because you've got a full wall slide out on this side over here. U-shaped dinette makes into a table. Lots of storage this way. Now this is differing from some other floor plans. A lot of manufacturers will put a fridge over here. I love that they put the storage over here. Big wardrobe. Drawers under here, of course. And of course when this slide comes in, this flips up, that comes over that. You still have access here to the bathroom, which is actually not too bad for being a corner bath. Big guy like me can still get into this shower. It's tall enough. How about that? Still have a little bit of counter space in here. That's important. Set your stuff down. Not everything's hidden in cubbies or drawers. You do have a bit bigger fridge here. This is an 8 cubic foot fridge. And then that's sink cover there. 2 burner stove. Got some extra drawers under here. I like Jayco because everything's real wood, not that MDF or anything like that. So real plywood, good cabinets. And then coming around to the cab area, you have the overhead bunk with the TV that swings out. And then of course your Mercedes dash here. And these chairs do swivel around, so you can face this way and have more than a couple people in here. So it's actually very, very roomy in this. I can't really stress it enough how nice this floor plan is with this full wall slide. Now when this is in, it comes in about right here. You still got a nice clean path. So I mean, if you're in a constrained area, you got to stay in a parking lot one night, something like that, you can still do that in this. Actually, big old TV there in the back too. Now coming outside on the Sprinter, you're a little more limited on your storage space in these. That's your propane there. But coming around to the back area, it's going to be underneath this slide over here. There, and then probably your access points here. Yeah, your hookups are right there. And then you'll have another hookup there on the front side. Anyways, these are a blast to drive, great fuel economy. You know, you're gonna be getting in the mid-teens on the fuel economy. 5,000 pounds of towing on this, so you can still tow whatever you want behind you. But more than that, it's still very roomy for only being a 25-foot rig. So come down and check it out. Ask for Chris.